Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another video. So before I get into what I'm doing here, I want to show you these rounds that I bought from KanellaciracoArt. They come in 3 different sizes, plus she sells coasters. I've shown you those before. These are 8, 10, and 12-inch rounds. They are a 1/4 inch thick, I believe, and I love pouring on them. They are so simple. You don't have to prep them because they are HDF board. Easy to hang. You just can slap a command strip right on the back of it after your painting is dry and you varnished or resined and all that. And really lightweight, so the shipping was really reasonable. So I'm going to put Canella's information in the description. If you're interested in them, you can email her. So here I am again. Sharmin, I'm going to mention her again because she has really inspired me and has reminded me of something that I liked to do a long time ago, which was after doing either a flip cup or a swipe to kind of alter it. So if you don't know who I'm talking about, her channel is called Milky Way Designs. I'm going to put the link in the description. Go check her out. But what I'm doing here is I'm going to blow out some flowers, and then I'm going to alter them with my little dotting tools. It is important for me to say that you can do this with any recipe you want. You do not have to use the bloom recipe like I am. You can mix your paints with Floetrol and water and do this. You can mix them with pouring medium and do this. You can use whatever recipe you want, your glue and water recipe. It will work. I'm choosing to use the bloom recipe because I just like the way that it looks. Speaking of recipes, I promised some recipe videos coming up soon. I am working on them during the day, which is why I am filming this video at night. Those will be out very soon, explaining all the recipes, why you use them, when to use them, and for what techniques. So, this here is my Puffy 2000 I am using. You can buy that on pourscraperepeat.com. And the reason why I chose to use this is because it's going to give me the look I'm going for. I want to make flowers that are longer in length and that look like they have wispy little raggedy torn edges, we'll say. And I know there's a flower out there that has petals like this, and I just can't remember the name of it. Another question I got asked in the last video a lot was, what was I using to design my painting after I blew it out? Those are dotting tools, and I have them in my Amazon shop. The Amazon link is in the description below. If you click on that and go to the tab that says Canvases and Tools for Acrylic Pouring, you will see them right there. Now, Amazon Prime Day is coming up here really soon, and that's one way to help your favorite artists by using their Amazon link to get to Amazon to do your shopping. If you're not aware of that, if you click on that link in the description of my channel gets credit for referring you to Amazon. And therefore, it helps with supplies and all that. So I appreciate all of you that do that already, and I thank you. And it doesn't need to be art supplies that you buy on Amazon. You can buy a shower curtain, and it will count towards a referral. But enough about that. Everything that you need is in the description, including discounts, links to websites, and links to my social media. I am very happy with these flowers. I love the colors. I love the edges the way they were. And then I started to spin it out a little bit because remember I told you I wanted long looking flowers. And I'm probably not explaining that right, but how this painting turned out is what I envisioned. So I'm going to stay quiet for a little bit here, and I will be back. So I have a couple more swipes to do here and I'm all done. I love this painting. It was what I was envisioning. Very whimsical. It looks like there should be a hummingbird suckling in the center of those flowers. Colors are rich and vibrant. The primary elements just sparkle. I will list the colors that I used down in the description below. As for the next painting, I decided to do the same type of a technique, but with a swipe. And again, I am just absolutely in love with it. So we'll finish looking at this one here and move on to the next. So again, I used the same recipe, just different colors, swiped with a white cell activator, and I'm using my dotting tool just to design. It's very therapeutic doing this, I have to say. You just kind of zone out and keep going, and it's very easy to overwork a piece, so you have to be careful. But I swiped the colors out first, did my little design, and then decided to spin it out. And it looks like some kind of a magical butterfly if you look at it vertically versus horizontally. It looks like a wing of a magical butterfly at the end. So I was super excited about that. But anyway, I'm going to sign off here, let you watch the rest of this, and just let you know that I am working on that recipe series. It will be out soon. Please consider subscribing, and I hope you're all having a great day. Until the next time, my friends, I love you all, and happy pouring.